Well, I've got to say, this is utopia for me. This is such a perfect place. Hope everyone's well. Welcome back to the channel again. So soon. Hopefully we're going to get some nice footage and some nice shots of whatever wildlife's there. A pair of nesting great crested grebes would be good. So exciting this morning. See how we get on. Morning. Welcome back to the channel. It's about 5:45 in the morning. Lovely, fresh, crisp morning, and just going to try a little bit of low-level photography today on a pond. I've done something I've tried a couple of times with quite nice results. But it's a bit of a recce this morning, and so I'm travelling light. I've just got my 500 PF lens, which is pretty lightweight to handle, and a pair of chest waders, and we're just going to see if we can find an area to enter the water to get a little bit lower. Oh, little chaffinch there. Just a shallow part of the little lake stroke pond to see if we can get in and just get a little bit lower to into the water. And the recce for a future more substantial trip out, because I purchased a floating hide from Buteo, and I'm just waiting for the weather to warm up a little bit, i.e. the water to warm up a little bit, before we take that out for its maiden voyage. So it's a bit hit and miss today, but I think if we can get into this lake stroke pond in a shallow area, we can just sit and try it out for a couple of hours. It's the area really, not the technique, or it's actually the location I'm wrecking for the shallow entry, because I will be using waders rather than a dry suit, so I'll need to have somewhere that my feet can touch the bottom, and hopefully get some lovely bird action at a low level. So yeah, I've been to this lake before, but I've never entered the water, so we'll see. And the beautiful thing about this place is there aren't many people who visit it or know about it, so it should be quiet, which is all important, as we know, in wildlife photography. So let's see how we get on, eh? Right, so got my chest waders on. Let's look at that gorgeous light and the mist coming off the water. That mute swan is not happy with those grey legs. Well, I've got to say, this is utopia for me. This is such a perfect place to bring. It's a perfect place to bring that my new floating hide. Try that out. Oh, I'm going to be monitoring the weather forecasts much closer. Much closer than I have been lately. So we're looking for still mornings, no wind. Temperature's not too much of an issue. I mean, it was only it's 4 degrees this morning driving here, and obviously the water's cold, but the water's cold, but it's tolerable. If I just put a pair of thermals on as well, I'll be good for a couple of hours in here easily. So I need to monitor the weather, come here on a morning where there's no wind. Clear skies would be great to get that early low light. It's magical, with mist rising off the water, hiding, flask of coffee, and maybe see the grebes interacting. There's one of them coming back now, so here's the partner, been feeding, and what do you see, it's just coming back to the nest. There's the nest, there's the second bird. See if they change over now. Just have a look at this tree. just covered in the most amazing moss and lichen. Beautiful. Right, well, that's it for today. Just drying the waders out, and I'm going to say goodbye to the grebes. They're still on the nest, and there's the other one feeding. So this has been a roaring success. So next time I'm going to bring the hide. Oh man, I can't imagine the shots that we're going to get with the floating hide. We'll be staying a really good distance from the grebes. We won't be disturbing any of the birds. We're going to get in the water, hunker down and just stay in one spot, let them get used to it, and yeah, hopefully we can get some amazing low level, water level shots. Hopefully I've got some today with the waders, and we'll see when we get them on computer. But some of them look quite nice on the back of the camera. But again, like I said earlier, it's just a recce. It's always good to recce these places. But this one, this place is idyllic. Absolutely idyllic. I'm going to be coming here a bit more frequently, I think. Look at the light on that tree. Glorious. Right, so thanks for watching this short video, short recce of a new location, first location for my hide, and hopefully we'll have a more comprehensive video next time and better footage for you. Okay, thanks for watching guys, see you on the next one.